for construction pros from CONEXPO 17 here at the Las Vegas Convention Center. And with me now is Tyler Bean, who's Vice President of Sales for AxleTech. Welcome aboard.
Thanks, Roger.
Nice to meet you. Well, what did you bring to the show this year? Some new exciting stuff, I understand.
Roger, absolutely. Things are great at AxleTech.
It's like Christmas.
It is like Christmas. We've launched a number of new products over the last couple of years.
Yeah.
And then we bring that together with our traditional products here at CONEXPO, and things are great. Very busy, so a lot of our traditional markets are coming back, and with the new and the old coming together, it's good times at AxleTech.
Well, I know you've been in the heavy-duty axle business for years and years, and now you're bringing aboard new electric axles. Tell us about that and how that's come to be.
Well, Roger, a lot of our customers are required by new regulations to come out with zero-emission vehicles.
Absolutely.
So you know where this means. It means
some of them are mixing various types of platforms together, some hybrid, some non-hybrid, some mixed. So that's got to be a real challenge.
Absolutely. So for off-highway applications, this is new. They're having to completely redesign chassis. So what was traditionally just electric buses and a little bit of trucks and cars that people are familiar with, when this comes to off-highway, it requires new technology, new engineering. That's what AxleTech does, custom solutions. So we've taken our engineering department, we focused them on the unique requirements of electric drivetrain. This means these drivetrains have to be really efficient, Roger. So every little single
I can just imagine the R&D that's gone into this.
It's been a long couple of years, first learning how we're going to achieve this,
right,
and then secondly getting it done, which we have. So we're launching these products this year.
And you have them at the show?
We have our wheel end for electric drive, and following on that will be a number of gearboxes for these applications.
So how different does the gearboxing have to be to actually operate these systems?
Well,
that's pretty complicated in itself.
It is. So 3 points for that one. One, they have to be maximized for efficiency. Our customers come back and ask us, can we improve efficiency 1 or 2%? Why is that? Because they only have so much energy on the vehicle.
Absolutely.
It's all about the battery.
Yeah.
So how much use can they get out of every single kilowatt?
Right.
So first we operate and we design so that everything is the most efficient that we can possibly get it. Number two, we have to package it differently. We don't get very much space at all for these components because they need maximum space for the batteries.
Right.
So first, big space, we package it, we make it more efficient, and finally we have to be really quiet with these applications. In a normal off-highway machine or equipment, the diesel engine covers up all the noise. When you take that noise away, suddenly people are listening to the gears, they're listening to the drivetrain.
Oh, sure, and it's a whole change of focus.
Yeah, it's distracting to them, so we have to make everything quiet. So efficient, packaging, and quiet.
It's just amazing. So how do you bring it together into a package? I mean, what's the net result of all of your engineering work? Is it in the gearbox? Is it in the axle? Or is it in the combination of the two?
It's the combination of all those things, Roger.
All those things.
Yep. So for a lot of these applications, it's unique. It's a lot different for a terminal tractor or a container handler than it is for an electric bus.
And so where do you see these new pieces of equipment operating? Is there just a window or a large platform, let's say, of applications?
There are. If you can think about the regulations that are coming on, they are looking for zero emission areas, complete cities, inner cities, ports, industrial areas. It's not just on highway vehicles, it's the off-highway, it's everything within this so-called green zone, if you will. Everything has to be zero emission. So if you can name an application, it's going to be electric in the future. So that's what we're applying it, not only for construction equipment, but all manners of container handling, material handling. Everything has to be zero emission. Everything needs a drivetrain system.
Let me ask you another key question here. Are we talking about one size electric axle or various sizes of axles, depending on their use and what you're going to apply them to?
So our axles range from 3 tons up to 120 tons. So it's got to cover everything.
Everything.
Yeah.
Unbelievable. From 3 ton to 120. Well, it's amazing. I know you brought some show and tell basically to bring to us, but your message just tells it all, and it's something that, you got to say, wow, this is where it's all headed. Somewhere down the line in the not too distant future.
Right, absolutely. It's happening now. So we're already shipping some of these products, and new applications are coming to us monthly. We've had a number of meetings right here at the show, and the customers are going electric.
Where's your booth here at the show?
It's in the South Hall with 84115.
84115 South Hall. So if you're at the show or you're coming to the show, you got to go and see AxleTech and see all of these new electric capable axles and the gearboxes and everything else that goes with them. It's a fascinating story.
Thanks, Roger.
Tyler Bean is the Vice President of Sales for AxleTech, and I sure want to thank you for showing up.
Thank you for having me.
It's been a great message.
Thank you.
You're welcome.